So in this problem, we need to determine the equation of a circle with the condition that its center lies on the y-axis and it passes through the points 3, 8 and 5, 9. Let us begin. So we'll first consider the general equation of a circle. So let the equation of the circle be, we'll consider the equation x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2 times fy plus c equals to 0. We're going to label this equation as equation number 1. Now it is given here that the circle passes through the points 3, 8 and 5, 9. So that means, let's write it down. The circle passes through the point 3, 8 and 5, 9, meaning the points are going to satisfy the equation of a circle. So if we consider the point 3, 8, all we have to do is replace the value of x with 3 and replace the value y with 8. So we will get 3 squared plus 8 squared plus 2 times g times 3 plus 2 times f times 8 plus c equals to 0. So we get 6g plus 16f plus c, and this will be equals to, so we have 8 squared, that's 64, added to 3 squared, that's 9, so 64 plus 9 is 73. We'll transpose it to the right hand side to get negative 73. So let this be equation number 2. And then if we consider the point 5, 9 and substitute into our general equation, so we get 5 squared, so that's 25, 9 square is 81, plus 2 times gx will be the 10g plus 18f plus c equals to 0. So we get 10g plus 18f plus c equals to negative 106. So this is going to be equation number 3. Now it's given here that the center lies on the y-axis. And whenever we have the y-axis, the equation of the y-axis is given by x equals to 0. So that means this is the equation of our line, x equals to 0. Now, since the center lies on the y-axis, and we know that the center of the general equation of a circle is given by negative g, negative f. So this center is going to satisfy the equation x equals to 0. So that means all we have to do is replace the value of x with the x coordinate of the center. So that's negative g. So we have negative g equals to 0, which implies the g value comes out to be equals to 0. Let's label this as number 4. Now that we have the value of g equals to 0, let's substitute this into equation number 2 and equation number 3. So equation number 2 is now going to become 16f plus c equals to negative 73, and then equation number 3 is going to now become 18f plus c equals to negative 106. Now we have two equations which contains only the parameter f and c, so we can subtract them to get, so 16f minus 18f will be negative 2f. So c minus c, that cancels out, that will be equals to negative 73 minus of negative 106, so that will be 33. So solving for f, we get f equals to negative 33 over 2. Now that you have the value of f, let's find out the value of c. We can use either equation. So let's use the simplified equation. 16f plus c equals to negative 73. We have 16f plus c, that's equals to negative 73. So we've obtained the value of f. So f came out to be negative 33 over 2 plus c equals to negative 73. So we have negative 8 multiplied to 33 plus c equals to negative 73. So that gives us c equals to 264 minus 73. So our c value comes out to be equals to 191. So now we have obtained the value of f. So f is negative 33 over 2. Value of g came out to be 0 and the c value is 191. So we can replace this value into the equation number 1. So equation number 1 now becomes, we have x squared plus y squared plus 2g, so g is 0, 2 times 0 times x plus 2fy. So in place of f, we have negative 33 over 2 times y plus c, which is 191. That's equals to 0. So we get x squared plus y squared minus 33y plus 191 equals to 0. So this is going to be the equation of a circle.